June 2, Basti first day at school.
School na yung baby ko.
Happy ka? Basta. Apa?
Brother, what's the name of your brother?
Hey, mag-remove ng cheese, Basti. Bye, Basti. Bye.
Basti, how are you? Ay, nawala na naman si Basti.
What's this? Sabihin mo, what's this?
We're gonna pull the door. Okay, pull the door. Yes po.
How are you, my baby? Happy ka? Happy ka? What's this? Turo mo kay mami, what's this? Oh, hold it. What's that? Tabawi.